Is Windows failing to load because of the Comppkgsup Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. I recommend the automated system scan for Comppkgsup library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Comppkgsup library, the component package support library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of modern application packages and registration of WinRT components. It facilitates the data link between the Windows Store shell and system-level app manifests. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This error indicates a corrupted or missing Windows system file. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to restore core components, including Comppkgsup Library DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Comppkgsup library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. A quick safety warning: never download files like Comppkgsup Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing Comppkgsup library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Comppkgsup library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.